Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to another episode of Peak State Mathematics. We're going to take a look at our parallel and perpendicular lines unit. We just got done talking about all the different properties we have with our parallel lines and those angle relationships. We're going to take a look now at the converse of those statements, because all of those special properties with our angle relationships and parallel lines are true if and only if the lines are parallel. That's that two-way conditional statement we have. So if the lines are parallel, then we know that the properties are true, right? That's kind of what we started with. But with this if and only if situation, we know that the converse is also true. So if the properties are true, then we know that the lines are parallel. That is that converse statement. And that's what we're going to practice right now. So let's go ahead and look at an example and see if we can identify which lines are parallel given some of that information. All right. So given this following information, we're going to see if we can determine which lines are parallel, if any. And then we got to justify how we know that's true. And we're going to justify it with that converse statement that supports our answer. So here's the information that we do know is true in this particular example. We know that angle 1 is congruent to angle 11. So as we take a look at that, we can see that our angle relationship is alternate exterior angles. And we know that if lines are parallel, then those must be congruent. So since the given information is they are congruent, we know F is parallel to H by the converse of alternate exterior angles. All right, it's your turn. Go ahead and practice a couple more on your own. Get back in peak state and have an awesome day. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.